How to put a picture on your iPhone home. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can put a picture on your iPhone home screen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it really depends upon what you are talking about. Are you talking that you want to change the wallpaper for your iPhone home screen, or are you talking that maybe you just want to add a picture like a widget like this? Because I will show you both of these. So if you want to add a widget, which means just a small portion that you want to fill with some photos, you can long press on an empty space, then just tap the plus icon from the top of the screen. Then from here you'll find the photos filters, right? So tap on photos and then just select the type of photos filters that you want to add here. Once you select them, just tap the add widget option and then you can actually add them to any part of the screen if this is actually what you're looking for. So now you can tap the done button if you want to go ahead and then actually save that changes. But in another case scenario, let's say you're talking about your wallpaper instead of adding a certain photo like that. For that, just swipe down at control panel settings and then just long press on it like this. Once you long press on the control panel settings over here, so let me also go ahead and do this long press, you can choose between different wallpapers. So you can tap the plus icon here and you should be able to see different sort of wallpapers over here from the suggested ones and so on. Depending on what you like, you can just go ahead and add those photos to your wallpaper. This way you can actually add a photo to your iPhone home screen. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.